In today's video, I am going to teach you how to move columns in Excel. We will walk through two quick, reliable ways to do it. The drag method and the cut and paste method. Both are fast, but each shines in different situations. So I will explain what to look for and how to avoid common hiccups along the way. Let's start with the drag method, which is often the quickest. First, click the letter at the very top of the column you want to move. This highlights the entire column, including its header and every cell below it, so you don't leave anything behind by accident. Now move your mouse to the left or right border of the highlighted area until your cursor changes into a 4-directional arrow. That cursor change is your visual cue that you are grabbing the column as a whole, not just a single cell. Click and hold your left mouse button, then drag the column left or right to where you want it to go. As you drag, watch for a thick green line. This line shows exactly where the column will be inserted. Release the mouse to drop the column into place. If it doesn't land where you expected, press undo and try again. A quick tip: if you don't see the 4-directional arrow, make sure your pointer is on the edge of the selected column, not inside a cell. Now, the cut and paste method is perfect when you prefer a precise move or you are working on a large sheet. Click the column letter to highlight the entire column you want to move. Right-click that column header and choose Cut. Or press Ctrl+X. This marks the whole column to be moved, not copied. Next, click where you want the column to go. You can click the destination column letter to align it exactly, or click the top cell where you want the data to begin. Then paste with Ctrl+V, or right-click and choose Paste. Keep an eye on your destination. Pasting will replace any content in the area you select, so make sure it's clear. If you change your mind or the placement isn't right, undo will take you back instantly so you can try again. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.